In this episode, we'll delve into the love letters embraced by the soothing arms of nature. Imagine a secluded haven, surrounded by the rustling leaves and the melody of a birdsong. Here, our love letter takes root, blending ink with the essence of nature itself, creating a symphony of love in the great outdoors. Pictorial canvases, each love letter becoming a part of a landscape. Envision a love note by a cascading waterfall or nestled against the trunk of an ancient tree. Here you will find a testament to love's enduring connection with the world all around us. Nature becomes the backdrop of love rendezvous. A picnic with amazing flowers, a gentle breeze carrying whispers of love, and these moments captured in handwritten letters, preserving the magic of an outdoor love affair. Thanks for joining me, beautiful.